morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Maniature Brother Entertainment. Today, I saw something interesting. It's so interesting, and just now I saw it. So you want to see? So come with me. Okay. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's snow! Snow! I love snow. Do you like it? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Ooh, it's so cold. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Look. It's so cool. So nice. Ah, my bike is full of snow. Ah. I'm getting ill. Okay. Wait, let me touch it. Oh my gosh. So snowy. Snowy. No letting me fall. I'm going to fall. It's so cool. It's so cool. I can't even. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Snow. I got a little bit because, see? You want to eat it? I'm going to eat it. No, I'm not going to eat it. Just pretend. Nobody eats snow. Okay, you want to give me more? Wait, I'm going to see this. Okay, this is so cool. Look at snow. But in my balcony, there's even more snow that I can take. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's iceberg. It's iceberg. I can't even. Look. Oh my gosh. In my balcony, there's even more snow. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. I'm falling down. Just kidding. You want snow? Okay, here you go. Only a little bit. But it's just today, it's a little bit snow. Not like that day, because that day it said winter storm warning, but today not. I'm so sad. I don't have a lot of snow that I can play with, but it's all fine because I don't need a lot of snow. So look, it's snowing everywhere, and it's not fine to play with, but it's all fine. It's all fine. It's just good to look. Still, look, it's cloudy. Oh no, oh no. My balconies, do you see these black strips? They're melting. The snows are melting. That's why it's not good to play with, because it's not a lot of snow. Not a lot of snow, but it's all fun. Bye.
हेलो आसतु देखु ये स्नोफॉल केते जोर होची काल ठारू वेदर प्रेडिक्ट हो जाइतिला कि वर्षा बरफ हम बरफ वर्षा स्नोफॉल 10टा आरंभ हम और ठीक 10टा 9टा 45 आरंभ हो गला आउ एक बाची समय 10टा बाजी 10 मिनट तेणु 20-25 मिनट भीतर देखो केमती सब छात भरीगला हाँ देखु क्रिसमस ट्री आप देखि पिक्चर रे किंतु एठी ओरिजिनली देखु केमती बरफ रे ढाकी गलानी गाड़ी सब देखु गाड़ी केमती गाड़ी ऊपर सब बरफ चदर बिछाई जमी लगुच। छात ऊपर सब देखु बरफ गोटे चदर जमी बिछाई छात उपर बहुत मोटा आकार चदर बिछाई से देखा गछ सब देखु केते सुंदर दृश्य। बहुत आमको इंडिया रे रहिले काश्मीर जावाक पड़ो, मनाली जावाक पड़ो, किंतु एठी देखंतु आमे लाइव रे आपन को देखौची। केमती लगुच मते कमेंट करके जनइबे। आउ ये वीडियोटी आपको भल लगुले निश्चित भाव में लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे। आम चैनल मान्यता एंटरटेनमेंट को बहुत परिमाण में सब्सक्राइब करूँ ताकि मुझे एमती लेटेस्ट अपडेट नुआ नुआ वीडियो नहीं कि आपन पाखे पहुँच पारि। देखंतु आम बालकोनी पूरा भरीगला केमती। सबुआड़े देखो केते जोर हो केते जोर देखो। वाह मजा आ गया।